Hello developers, are you feeling a struggle to generate the token you are looking forward to? Just browsing a lot of websites and can't find a single place from where you can generate all of your token? Then wait for no more, because we are having then a token generator where the free online token generator and Decoder generate secure tokens for your applications instantly, create JWT tokens, API tokens, UUIDs, OAuth tokens, and there's a lot of variation is available right now. So now, as you can see here, also a decode your token button there, so you can also instantly decode the token and can get the value. And what kind of token configuration we're having here, if you just click on that, you can see we have JWT, UUID, API key, OAuth token, SSH, random token, then PASI2, then barrier token, basic auth, hammock, and lots of others gonna be adjoining one by one. So now let's just having a dummy example to create a JWT token. So here you can just go in a sub value, which is the mandatory 3 field, one sub, one IAT, one is the expiration date. So this 3 value must to be there. Then like I'm getting a value for John Doe. Also I can add more field, so I will add a field here which can, let's say, test field, and that should be a test value, or you can say not text but a test value. And now I will just go, as you can see, generate the token. So I am having my token right here. Also I can select from here, either I want that SHA 256 384 512, and as you can see RSA SH 512. So this is a very hectic token generator, so that you can very easily generate that. So now as you can see, you have a token, but if you just can see, if you copy that, you just see the validate the token. You can also decode the token by clicking on the decode option, and there the token, it will be decoded. If you just paste the here and then decode token, as you can see, the value of the algorithm, which algorithm we use, that's RS 512 and JWT. We have the value for that other parameter, and also the extracting value is right here. We have the signature, every single thing is right over there. And by the way, you can also generate lots of other token. As you can see, if you want to go with UUID, you can just go and the simple ID gonna be provided. You can generate an API key, and that could be depend on whatever the API parameter you're looking for. You can get that OAuth token, you can get the read write access, you have the expiration, so it can be happen to be properly randomize your value, as you can see. And over here you can provide the key size, you can provide the host name, and by the way, the same thing you can check if you're having any doubt, or if you are looking forward to decode any token, you can simply decode here and you can utilize here to see and view it. And if you are feeling that no, there is something missing, then you can read some of the text, what is the token generator and supported token types there, and why use our token generator, and common use cases is right there. And by the way, there is the documentation tab also there, by which you can get through the documentation about that JWT web token and the common uses and others, and all the token variable right here is there, and also explain about the token security best practices and about the JWT token security API key security. And also there is the about tab about the one which we are building that application. And by the way, ReactBD is the one who is building that particular a very good and easy fundamental tools for you. And then it can be very easy to go and grab that. And now I want to be careful, because there is also a theme toggler here. As you can see, you can also change the theme, and over there you can go with the light mode. And as you can see, this website you can also like get through from your mobile, as it's supporting both responsiveness for any devices, so it can work perfectly align it. And there is one more thing is there, which is called tools. What is the tools here? You can click on the tools and instantly it will take you that particular tools segment, and this statement here is the free tools whatever the ReactBD is providing, where you can have that fake JSON tool, package updater, image converter, generator, JSON formatter, and the validator, minifier, temporary email, and a lot of things. So this is a kind of like a way to go where you can find easy way to generate the token. So you can go here and you can just use that. This is free of charge, no need to combine any parameter, nothing to pay. You can just simply go any of that and you can simply use it. And also let me know in the comments if you're looking forward that we will modify something, you want something more on particular that. And by the way, one feature is that you can also see your secret. So just let me know in the comments if it's really helping you to just flourishing your ideas or making some good content in elsewhere, and also helping in your go-to way. And also let me know in the comments whatever tools you are looking forward to, so that we can create and deliver that to you, so you can have everything in a single place free of cost. Of course, there will be no free. Sometimes some website which I'm running the ads for the Google, but others is but using it totally free. So there will be no problem at all when you are using it. So feel free to use it, make most out of it, and generate your token however, wherever you want. And again, like the video, subscribe the channel, and let me know whatever the tools you are looking forward to. And I'm gonna see you in the next video with that particular token. All the best, stay safe.